Now I'd like to talk about cymbals in band and orchestra. The first that you'll come across most likely is a suspended cymbal, which is usually played with soft mallets and most often is indicated as a roll or a long note, half note, whole note. And when you roll, you need soft yarn mallets. And when you do that, you roll on the edge of the cymbal, because the way to get the best sound is to get the cymbal vibrating. And it doesn't vibrate if you hit it up here. It vibrates if you hit it out here. Now you have to read the cymbal music very carefully, because sometimes the cymbal wants to ring, but sometimes it's not supposed to. You have to use your ear and follow the music. Sometimes it's written clearly in the music, sometimes it isn't. So sometimes you'll make that crescendo roll and cut the sound off. That's how you do that. You just grab it. Another effect, a choked cymbal. You use a snare drum stick. And sometimes it'll say snare drum sticks on cymbal, which is like our Rocking the Blues song. Or you can make a roll on the cymbal. With snare drum sticks, it's a different color than the yarn. And the last option is to play the cymbal with brushes. I know it's not very loud, but a lot of music calls for brush on cymbal, so you'll definitely be doing that. So these are a pair of nylon brushes, and they make a pretty good sound. That's suspended cymbal.